I'm Toothpick Timmy, and a special thanks to you for joining our Dan-O's wholesale team, where flavor is always #1. I'm going to show you how to build that shipper you just received. You ready? Let's do the Dan thing. Always remember, flavor first, safety second. Be careful when you're using your box cutter. Cut along the seam right here, down across the bottom, across the top. Let's open up this damn good looking shipper. Oh, look at her go. She purty, ain't she? Inside the shipper, you will find that there's some simple instructions, but hey, since you're watching this, who needs them, right? Pull out your handy dandy standy. That's what's gonna hold up the shipper. At the bottom of it, you'll notice there's these two little points. We're just gonna fold those bad boys in like so. Stand your shipper up. Bend right here to where it sits nice and flat, real pretty like. You're gonna bend right here. These holes line up with these slots right here. There's your shipper. It's now standing all by itself. Bend these tabs back on the perforated line. After bending these back, you wanna bend this towards the shipper. Sometimes things get a little tricky, so don't be afraid to ask your teammates for a little help. It never hurts to have a lending hand. Look at all this dang good flavor. Dan-O-mite. Dan good. When you got your shipper standing tall, bend these back on the perforated lines. It's very simple, guys. Very, very simple. What's gonna happen is this is gonna fold back just like this. This will fold back like this. Set your shipper on the handy dandy standy. You're gonna take these slits and slide them right in the side, just like so. You guys, this is so easy, old Toothpick can do it. Just like that. Make sure you're sitting pretty. Take this bottom part, fold it in, and slide it right in that slit. Now you have a completed, damn good looking shipper. What do you think? Ready to sell some flavor? Give your customers what they deserve? To ensure the presentation of the product is top-notch, make sure all labels are facing towards the customer. Let them know that that's where the Dan good flavor is. By failing to not place labels facing outward, it could cost you a Dan sale. And that's a Dan sin. So don't do that, Dan it. When you're walking around and you see somebody that looks lost, send them to the Dan-O stand. There's only one way to flavor anything you're eating, and that's by putting some Dan-O's on it. If it wasn't good, would I wear it on my hip? Holster's available at Dan-O-seasoning.com. Now that we've done the Dan thing, get out there and spread the good word of flavor. Dan-O seasoning, #1.